Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am so excited to share with you guys. Fall is finally upon us, and I found some really fun pieces on my shop with me trip last week, and I wanted to share with you guys how I incorporate those pieces into my home. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if this video inspires you. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button to stay tuned for all of our upcoming videos. And don't forget to say hi in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. So without further ado, let's get started. When decorating for the fall, I try to keep things a little bit subtle. I do like a pop of color here and there, but just not overly done, if you know what I mean. These are blankets that I normally have around the house, very neutral. I feel like blankets add a ton of like that cozy vibe to your home, so I try and incorporate more warmth and more blankets, more textures into my home decor. These pillows are a perfect example of bringing some texture and warmth. The color is that warm brown. I actually found these on Amazon, and the quality is pretty good for an Amazon pillow. I will link those down below, but I love these underneath the table because I feel like it just adds a little bit more of that cozy vibe. And as for greenery around the house, I love my greenery. I try not to get rid of all of it. I do try and keep some, but for this pot, I am switching it out to this wheat, and I love this wheat because it has like the black tips in the top, and I will try and find that and link that for you guys down below. But I just love how this looks in the pot. It looks so organic and natural, and I love to just arrange it so that it really pops and just looks really, really pretty in our entryway. And sticking to that natural and organic vibe, this pumpkin I had to have. It was so cute. It reminds me of a little like Frankenstein style pumpkin, but such a pretty color. And for our entryway table, that's gonna be pretty much it. It's very simple, very subtle. I don't like things overdone, very understated, and this is just perfect for us. I really love the way that this looks. Although around Halloween, we do bring out the bats. The kids love the bats, and they are kind of fun to have around, but we'll put those up like a little bit before Halloween. I just wanted to show you guys how those look and how fun those are. Those are only $7 for a pack of 100, and I'll link those down below for you guys. Once Halloween gets a little bit closer, the kids really enjoy bringing out the Halloween box and decorating for that. So let me know down in the comments below if you guys would like to see something like that. And moving on to the pillows on our couch, the light blue pillows are going to be staying. I just couldn't swap them out or really find anything that I was crazy about. I really like the blue, so it's gonna stay. And this is such a favorite pillow right now. This is the Kookaburra by UGG pillow. I found this at Kohl's. So soft and comfy, you guys. We are always fighting over this pillow in our house because everybody wants it. It's so soft. This was one of the blankets that I found from Tuesday morning in my shop with me. I love this blanket because it's so neutral, and it's like a wool blend fabric, very cozy. So I will see if I can find a similar one and link that for you guys down below. Now this red one is on Amazon. It's like a burgundy and a brown mix, very pretty. This one is also a wool blend and comes in lots of different colors as well. And another quick way to add some cozy vibes to your home if you have a fireplace, these birch logs. I found these for $10 for a big pack at Lowe's, and the birch logs are just so pretty. They have that perfect aesthetic. I love all the wood texture and the warmth it brings to a home. They also have the birch logs available on Amazon. I will link those down below. They aren't as big, but they are just as pretty. Okay, and these baskets I found at Goodwill. I totally kicked myself for not getting the round one. I left it there and I have major regrets, but I did pick up this rectangular one and I did a little DIY. Stay tuned for that. I think that's going to be coming out next week, but I just warmed it up a little bit and I really like how it looks. I like the warmer color definitely by the fireplace. This little brown blanket was a Target find from several years back, and this little leather pillow actually matches our leather pumpkin that's on the coffee table, and that is from Joann's. That is one of my favorite finds of this season. So cute. Moving on to the coffee table, I keep things pretty simple around here. I swapped out our Greenery for a leather pumpkin, like I said, from Joann's. I'll link it down below. Very, very cute. I love this pumpkin so much. And what would any fall decorating video be without some pumpkins or a trip to the pumpkin patch? So this is just a little stand that we have close by, and they have the most beautiful pumpkins and the prettiest little setup outside. So it was a fun day for me and my son to go pick out some pumpkins for the decoration of our home. If you guys remember the big giant tray that I had to have from my shop with me video, this tray was exactly what I envisioned, filling it with just seasonal decor, and I loved filling it with all these different color pumpkins, very neutral pumpkins, but I just love the way that it turned out. This tray is everything. I love it so much. I did post a little reel or a sneak peek on Instagram, so if you guys don't follow me there, go head on over to Instagram and give me a follow. I would love to have you guys. I'm going to be sharing a lot more YouTube sneak peeks and fun things that we have going on there. I don't do too much decorating like in the kitchen or in the bathrooms. This is pretty much going to be it for the kitchen, but I just like to have my cookbooks in there and this little pedestal I found at Home Goods, and this candle was just from my recent shop with me, and that little black pot is kind of a spin-off of my planter pot video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link that there, but it's kind of just a little mini version, really cute, and that's a little thrift flip that I'll be sharing next week as well. I just threw some dried florals in there, and I love having the dried florals. They smell so good. We also took a little visit through the nursery at Lowe's, where they had a ton of mums and fall flowers and foliage. So pretty. I love this time of year, you guys. They had so many different sizes. The smaller ones were like $2.98, and they had even really large mums as well. You can also find these at places like Costco and Walmart. These are very inexpensive flowers that can decorate your porch. We also found this a big orange fairy tale pumpkin at that pumpkin stand down the road from us, and I just love the color. It's so fun. If you guys haven't caught my other fall decorating video I had out this month, it was the DIY wreaths. This wreath on our front door I am in love with. It's so pretty. This is that one pop of color on our black front door that I really love. It just makes a statement. I love that vibe right before entering our home. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Go ahead and say hi in the comments or give us a thumbs up. Every little bit helps with our channel, and we're so appreciative that you guys are here and watch our videos. Keep an eye out for next week's video, and we'll see you guys next time.